What is going on, everybody? Tech enthusiast here, and this is an Antutu benchmark comparison between the OPPO Find X2 Pro against the OnePlus 7T. So we have the new Snapdragon 865 versus the Snapdragon 855 Plus, 12 gigabytes of RAM versus 8, and the rest of the specs you can see on the sides. Now with that being said, let's get started. So the OPPO Find X2 Pro finished first, and overall it scored a lot higher by over 108,000 points. Now in the breakdown of the categories, the OPPO Find X2 Pro scored higher on each of the categories, and that's not really surprising. So that wraps it up for this Antutu benchmark comparison. What did you think? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If it is your first time here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. So make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release my videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.